Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture or display picture inside your Neds sports betting app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, open up your Neds app as you normally would. Now you'll be brought to the home section of Neds. From here you want to click onto the More button, bottom right hand corner of the page. Now inside your account settings. From here, click onto your account username, so tutorial is mine, and then here's my profile picture, here's my display name. Under that, click on the settings, and now there's my display picture again. So in order to change this, they got a little pencil icon which is like an edit button, so go ahead and click onto that, and then we can change it to any one of these. So change your avatar to any one of these. So if I want to do, say for example, this clown face, I can set that, click save. You can also change your background while you're there as well. So if I click on background, you can change yellow, green. Got a few to pick from, so I'm going to keep it that color. Then click save, and there's my new display picture. At this point in time, you can't put a custom photo from your photo gallery. You just got to use one of their emojis that they've got set inside the app, unfortunately.